Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock here I got a while back from one of our great friends, Daz Evers. I can't say enough about Daz. He's an awesome picker. He's an awesome pick maker. The guy is just generous to a fault. He's a fantastic guy. Well, when I got this, I was looking at it real close, and I don't know if I can dog hair. Got to get rid of that. That looks like an American keyway to me. Pretty close. So, and it's kind of built like an American lock. And it's a Matlock. You can read all the propaganda if you want to pause it and do that. I'll show you the other side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this open and I'm going to load it up in a vise. And what I'm going to try to do with this, I haven't picked a spring loaded. I'm pretty sure this is going to be like an American with a spring loaded. Not only the shackle but the actuator. Man, if I could talk. I'm going to try to pick it with the AM5 first. And if that doesn't work, then I'll go to regular pick. But I'm going to open this up, and we're going to load it up, and I'll be right back. Yeah, those scissors weren't working too good. I mean, I got a nice slice, but sheesh. It's like it dulled them down or something. Wow, that's some good plastic here. Thought I'd show you. I'm actually out. There, we got it finally. Why do I mess with scissors when I got knives around? And I'm going to probably have to turn on some light, guys. But let's just see if this fits before we do anything else. Uh-oh. I don't know. Yep. Oh. Going all the way? Like I said, the light's fading on me, guys. I'll have to check that out. But if this doesn't go all the way, we got to get to 6 pins. So, I don't know. So I'll be right back when I can see it. All right. Well, this isn't going to work, guys. The reason being, this is that kind of a keyway, but this right around here, this cover plate is too tight. This little piece right here at the very top, needs to go flush against that brass core. And if you can see this, it's kind of hard to see. It's not even getting there. It's hitting this. Now you can push it in a little bit more. If you give it a little turn, it'll go in a little bit more. But it doesn't go all the way down. As you can see, there's a gap right there. It doesn't go all the way down to the brass. So you're not getting all 6 pins. So that's not going to work. Oh well. We gave it a shot. So I'm going to try this in hand. Ow. I haven't done that in a while. Been a while, anyway. And we'll see if we can get into this thing. Find them pins, how they feel. Find a binder. Got one. Uh-oh, slipping off. kind of bouncing around in here. That's not what I'm used to. I may have to go to one of my other picks. I haven't picked with one of these Sparrow short hooks in a while. I usually pick with my own or Daz Evers or someone else's. Uh-oh. Don't know. See about the front pin here. If I can get on it. Ugh. Yeah, you little dog. Are you already up there? You might have already gotten that front pin. Okay. Oh, I don't know. I might overset. Like I said, haven't picked with one of these in a while. Haven't picked a. Let's try that back. Haven't picked an American in a while either. Wow. There's some weird feelings there. Oh, I think I just overset that big time. Yeah, I'm not getting any false sets or anything. Okay, Daz. Well, that's not it. I'm trying to find, maybe it's because I'm trying to find what's, trying to think like an American core, that it might be some spools in there. There may not be any spools in there. It may be all serrated, or it may be a couple serrated. I got to take my time here. Well, that one just fell away. It wasn't anything there. But I got one here that's just bugging me. That one shouldn't have done that. I had to have overset something. I'm just not getting any feedback. There's not. I had one that felt kind of good, but yeah, I'm not feeling them. Wow. Yeah, I had to reset a little bit of that. These do not feel right. I think I got a false set there. I'm trying to find something. Without over. I think I might have messed that up. Oh, I got it. Whew. Man, that took a while. Holy crap. What a bad boy. Or as my picking skills are really bad lately. Man, oh man, oh man. I am so glad I got that open. All right, it was laying right here. I had it right here a minute ago. What in the... Are you kidding me? That's what happens when you're old and blind. Now you can't find anything that you had sitting right on your counter here. Where is it? Oh, guys, this is one of the things I never... is always right here that I... And it's gone. No, it's not. I'm just blind. Sorry, guys. Jeez, oh, Pete. Well, if I didn't feel like an idiot before, I sure feel like one now. But hey, that's the nature of my world. Welcome to my world, the moron world. Did we get it out of there? Okay. Alrighty. This doesn't look like it's got a... It's... Oh, okay. It's more like an I can't even think or talk right now. It's more kind of like a master tailpiece, you know, that sits up top instead of down the side. So that would make it unbypassable. I do have a key, so I'm going to go ahead and lock it up. Let me show you what I learned from Trackmaster 30 if this doesn't just pop off right away. You take this little clip, I don't know if you can see it, you push it back around till you get it right there. Then when you pull on the clip, you can use a screwdriver or anything else. It should use a screwdriver for this because I'm too lame. It locks this bottom part in for you. Doggone it. Move. Yeah, it's not working there. Screwdriver. Get off of me. If they're not, you know, really bad. Geez, I hate that I have the shakes all the time. But, oh, that just went shooting across the room, so it's over there. I'll get it later. I saw where it went. But yeah, it'll pop them off for you. And I might speed some of this up. I don't know. But this is going to be a standard, you know, because it's standard lock. So we're just going to run it through normal light. I'm going to try to do a speed deal on this. All 6 pins are in there. Number 1, number 2. Just move over 1. Jeez. Number 3. Try to get it. I know a lot of people say get the tweezers. I can't see with the tweezers either. They don't have lights and bells and whistles. I can fix this. One of these is 4. Gosh darn it. Yeah. I'm going to go 6 and then 5. 6. Dang, come on, help out here. And 5. Okay. So, man, these, I think they get tinier as I get older. I gotta, I really do think so. Where? Yeah. I think they get tinier when the older I get. Okay, now, I don't care if they're right side up, upside down, ding-a-ling or whatever. You can see whether they have serrations or not. These 2 are upside down, of course. They look just like the American serrated. This being the front. And you got a cut back, so that's where your face of your lock goes. So as long as you remember that with certain ones, when you start, you won't get messed up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now all the springs are going to fall out. All right. Where's my other little tweezers? My sparrows, tweezers. Where'd them boogers go? I don't know. I can't see them. But that's what happens when you get older, guys. You can't see crap. Sometimes. Some of you have eagle eyes till you're way, way old. But that ain't me. Back over where you go. Alright, sorry this is taking so long, guys, but I'm going to take that out of there. These are your pins. They don't run away. Dangling. That might be too much light for it. Looks like you got a solid standard in one, and the rest are all spools. And then you got a couple of 3 serrated key pins and regular springs. So yeah, that's what's in this this Matlock 2508. I mean 2508, guys. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.